Hi, my name is Kara McGuire, and I will be doing my presentation on Amanda Kelly. She is a BCBAD and a licensed behavior analyst from Hawaii. Dr. Amanda Kelly is a doctoral level board certified behavior analyst. According to her website, she obtained her bachelor's degree in elementary education from Shepherd College in 2002. In 2005, she became a certified applied behavior analysis analyst in the state of Massachusetts. In 2007, she received her master's degree in behavioral education from Simmons College, and then in 2013, she received her PhD in behavior analysis. She currently resides in Hawaii and is also known as Behavior Babe in the behavior analyst community. She works with children and adolescents who have social, emotional, behavioral, and cognitive needs in a variety of settings. She is well known and recognized for her research and her advocacy efforts and dissemination in the field of behavior analysis. She is an active participant in various committees and has held a position on the board of numerous organizations. Most notably, she is the legislative chair for the Hawaii Association for Behavior Analysis, or HABA. Dr. Kelly is extremely active in the field of behavior analysis since 2005 and has been a major advocate for effective dissemination of the science of behavior analysis. She aims to make research and information more readily available for the public and professional peers and government officials. In the article Spreading the News, History, Successes, Challenges, and the Ethics of Effective Dissemination, the article highlights Dr. Kelly's website, Behavior Babe, as a successful online dissemination effort in the field of ABA. Her website has been successful because it is very user-friendly and makes information about the science more easily accessible and digestible to those outside the field. Dr. Kelly has various titles. In 2006, she received her teaching licensure for elementary education. She went on in 2008 to become a board-certified behavior analyst. In 2013, she received her PhD in behavior analysis, and then in 2013, she became a board-certified behavior analyst doctorate. In 2016, she became a licensed behavior analyst. Dr. Kelly is currently the part owner of a corporation called Quality Assurance Positive Behavior Supports Corporation in Florida, where she has an executive role in the corporation. She is the founder and creator of Behavior Babe blog and podcast, where she discusses her dissemination efforts and publishes articles for the public. She is a public speaker for a multitude of public events and engagements. She is the author and co-author of various well-known peer-reviewed works and publications. Amanda Kelly is one of the contributing authors to the Hawaii Legislature of Behavior Analyst Regulation and Licensure. She advocates for licensure of behavior analysts to help regulate the field. And her dissemination efforts are important because ABA is an effective intervention for many other people with various disabilities. Dr. Kelly was a contributing author in 4 peer-reviewed journal articles, and she also serves as the legislative chair of the Hawaii Association for Behavior Analysis, where she helped to draft legislation concerning behavior analyst regulations and licensure. Her major articles concern dissemination efforts, and she advocates for licensure of behavior analysts to help regulate the field. The dissemination efforts are important because ABA is an effective intervention for many people. In 2012, she received the Jerry Shook Practitioner of the Year Award from the Berkshire Association for Behavior Analysis and Therapy, and then later in 2015, she won the Advocacy Group of the Year Award from Autism Speaks. If I were given the chance to sit down and interview Dr. Amanda Kelly, I would want to ask her what experiences inspired her to want to start her own corporation. I would also want to ask her why she thinks making behavior analysis a licensed profession is so important and what needs to be done to make this a requirement in all 50 states. I would also ask her if she thinks there will be any negative impacts or repercussions if the profession gains licensure and regulation. I want to ask her if there were any people who influenced her in her professional career and how these people influenced her. Lastly, I would ask Dr. Kelly if there's anything she wants to change in the profession of applied behavior analysis. Dr. Kelly offers a multitude of resources to parents as well as professionals. She works with the legislature to modify laws and allow people better access to behavior and analytic services. She provides a multitude of research and information to the public, including government officials. She is an active member of the ABA community and is working diligently to move the fields of ABA forward. She posts updates and research on the advancements of the field regularly. Her website is extremely helpful in terms of learning new or updated information or to help with specific behaviors. She was a great individual to research and learn more information about. I find that her dissemination efforts have been impactful to the field and have helped to move the field forward and dispel the myths and misconceptions that people may have about behavior analysis. Based on the research I have conducted on this assignment, I have gained a better understanding of why effective dissemination of behavior analytic principles is important. Here are my citations. I hope you have all enjoyed learning more about Amanda Kelly and her impact in the fields of behavior analysis. I highly encourage anybody looking to get into the fields of ABA to check out her website and all of her dissemination efforts.